said my barber's out of town. At least you can go to a barber now.
Yeah, right?
You couldn't even go to a barber.
Nah, those were sad months.
I take care of this barber in New York City named Hilo.
In Pilo?
It's called Hilo.
Oh, I thought
that's
his
the name
name
of
was
the
in
barber
Pilo.
shop.
Is he Greek?
No, she's no, absolutely not. What restaurant do you work at?
Oh, I work at a Hill Country Barbecue Market.
Barbecue Market?
Yeah,
Hill Country.
It's a Hill Country, Hill Country Barbecue Market.
That's the brand.
It's a Texas barbecue dry rub.
Is that right?
Yeah, we do brisket, we do prime rib, we do pork belly, pork ribs. You name it, homestyle like mac and cheese.
I mean, that's everything I love.
Cucumber coleslaw. It's
Did you know my blood is like 50% barbecue sauce? Any of this? Yeah, man. Relax your mind. Good. Absolutely.
yeah, it's really good stuff. We actually do so we host a lot of winter events for like celebrities and stuff too.
Really?
I worked Saturday Night Live. I got to meet Halsey.
Nice.
Rachel Ray was there. She's cool.
Rachel Ray?
Yeah, she goes to Holiday.
Cool. Turn to the left a little bit. You're going to feel that. It's not going to hurt.
That's right.
It's just going to loosen up your spine a little bit. Oh, Rachel Ray's there. Boy, that's a real party.
Yeah.
I would have told her to get behind the grill. We want 2021 to be a good year. Okay, we're just loosening up your shoulders inside you a little bit.
Looks like it's like the meat of your
It is.
shoulder that's killing you.
Good. I want you to turn your head to the left a little bit. So we get underneath this hat. Keep turning to the left. Turn to the left. Good.
Nice.
Good. Straight ahead. Nice. Just relax.
Feels so good.
Good. I'm just going to bring it back a little bit. Nice. Nice. Now turn your head to the right. Keep turning to the right. Good. Straight ahead. Just relax. Nice. Good movement. Alright, so let's take this arm. You're going to go just like that. Alright? Just like that. And what I want you to do with your elbow, I want you to pull it back harder. And relax. Good. One more time. Pull it back. And relax. Let's try the other side. Hold on. Pull it back. And relax. Okay. Boy, none of those shoulders are moving. Those things are locked up on this guy. Man, that's holding trays. And relax your arm.
That actually is.
Straight up.
Drop, let your arm drop.
There's muscle memory now.
Good.
Nice and loosey.
Let's see if we can get this going. Just let it relax a little bit. Good.
There you go.
Good. There
Left.
we go. Let's try this side. Let it drop nice and easy. Just let it go. Good. A little more. Let it go. That's it. Nice. Good. Yeah, some people actually build up scar tissue in their shoulders. Relax a little bit. Good. Just relax.
I crack my fingers on a daily.
Yeah?
That I probably crack before even like coming in.
Before you have your coffee.
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. Better. Turn your head to the right all the way. Better. Turn your head to the left. Look at that. Nice. All right. You're going to breathe in, and then when you breathe out, I'm going to lean you back. Okay? I want you to just, and you'll breathe out. All right? Hold on. Yeah, it's really sticking out in there. Okay? So breathe in really deep. Breathe out. Lean back. A little bit more. Good. Good. Come back up. Try one more time. Yep, one more time. Hold on a second. Breathe in real deep. One way out. Gonna let that go a little bit. See if we can get some movement in here. Good. Good. Come back up. No, real locked up inside there. All right. A little tough inside there. So let's come and lay face down on the table. Okay. So we got to work a little bit harder. Too strong or you're okay?
No, I'm good.
Good. Okay.
That was good.
Good. Just trying to loosen up his back a little bit.
I recently just, like, that's my first ride, so like,
Good.
all
3
these
hours.
all these back muscles are just like, okay, what was that?
Yeah, we weren't ready for any of that.
Yeah.
Nice. How'd the bike hold up? Better than you?
Way better. Yeah.
Good.
Perfect.
Good. Let's see how we're doing here. Yeah, a little bit of rotation inside that hip, so let's pull out some fancy tools. Good. So I want you to take your right leg, and I want you to just raise it up nice and easy. Come back down. One last time, bring it up. And come back down. Okay, and just relax for a minute. All right. You okay? Bring up your right leg again. Nice. Cool. All right. Let's do the same with the left, please. Come back down. And just relax. Good. Let's bring it up again. Sweet. That's what we want. Excellent. Excellent. Feel a little difference inside there?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I did.
Good. Yeah, we're just going to get that lumbar in the spine now. Good. Nice. Okay, we're going to go inside here. Good. Nice. Okay, this table's just going to drop a little bit.
Yeah.
That's all you're going to feel. All right. And just relax. Good. Right in here. All right, Brandon, I just want you to focus on your breathing and just relax all over the muscles, okay? Just going to open up this joint in here. I'm going to lean your head to the side just a little bit. Good. A little bit more. Good. Good. Come back here. Good. Take a minute with that.
That's so good.
It's the first of any.
All right. Just kind of let it go. No, don't turn. Don't roll. Yeah, just breathe
There you go.
normally.
Loose, limp.
Nice. Just gonna open up. A little bit more. Good. A little more. Good. Come back in the middle. Excellent. Good. And I just want you to breathe in very deep. All the way out. Relax your shoulders. Good. And relax. Good. Nice. Let's see if we feel any better. A little bit better. Nice. All right, so when you lay down on your side, face my doorway. Can't say door. Bring that arm all the way through. Rest your head right there. Slide down a little bit so your shoulder doesn't hit that. You can keep your head on. All right. Cool. And just relax your legs. I'm going to bend this nice and easy. Good. just like that. He's going to come right over here. Right, just like that. And you might feel like you're going to fall over in, but you're not. So I'm just going to open up your, stretch out your lower back a little bit. Nice. Just like that. Now I'm going to bring you forward a little bit. I just want you breathing for me really deep. All the way out. Good.
Nice.
Clunk right in. Let's go right on the other side.
That's
Nice and easy.
a very aggressive form of what I do in the morning almost every day.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. Bring you forward a little bit. Again, breathing really deep for me. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Don't lay it right on your back face up, please. Nice. That's a happy face.
It feels so good.
Okay. Good. Let's bring your legs up for a second. The other one as well. What I want you to do is I want you to squeeze your knees together. Good. Separate your knees. One more time. Squeeze them together. And separate. Cool. And just relax. Bring this down. No, relax your leg now. A little bit more. Just relax. Good. Let this drop down to the side. Come back over here. No, just relax it. Let me take care. Let me take it. Good. Let it drop down. Good. Come back here. All right. A little bit more. Let's see how these ankles are doing. You broke which one?
This.
All right. Let's see if we can open that. Yeah, it's a little jammed in there a little bit, but let's see if we can open it up and just relax a little bit. Ah, there we go. Nice. Same thing here. See if we can open this one up and just relax a little bit, a little more. Good. Just relax. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. All right. Maybe slide all the way down if you can. Right there. Lay back. That leaves a little bit of a Y strap on you.
Oh, yes.
Yep. Good.
Sounds good.
It's amazing. All right. So your trick here is for you just to relax nice and easy. Just kind of breathe in, breathe all the way out. Good. Just get a little traction in there. Breathe in again real deep, all the way out. Good. Last time, breathe in real deep, close your mouth.
Nice and loose.
Good. Just let it go. Nice and loosey-goosey, good.
Oh,
Good.
my God.
Let's take a minute with that.
It actually stayed like from my neck to like my mid back, like right here.
Oh, is that right? Didn't go all the way down?
No.
Yeah, sometimes we gotta do two. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do two.
That deep, bro.
Because the spine's really tough. Yeah, just breathe nice and deep. You take these out. Slide up a little bit. The table if you can.
Up.
Yeah, just a little bit. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, sometimes you're so locked up inside there you can't get all the way down.
I was like super aggressive, like neck to like here.
How'd that feel?
Felt great.
Good. Awesome. Good. All right, let's just see if we can finish up in here. Just relax nice and easy. Focus on the breathing. Just let it go. That's it. And just kind of let that go a little bit. A little bit more. Good. Come back here. Good. Nice and easy. Relax these muscles. A little bit more. Just kind of let it go. Thank you. Come back here. This is nice and slow. All right, put your legs on this side. How's that feel?
Feels amazing. It feels like 10 times better than
Yeah?
when you first did that the first time around.
Good stuff. Maybe walk around the table a few times. Right. Gotta loosen up a little bit. All right. Maybe
Yeah,
walk
my
around.
neck and my the upper back just feels amazing.
Rejuvenated?
What's that?
Is that nice and rejuvenated?
I can
Yes.
see the breathing now. Now I can get that deep breath a lot easier.
You
Like
feel me?
Yeah.
when you try to breathe.
Yeah. Opens up that
So
whole
good.
opens up that whole area inside there, right?
Definitely.
Cool.
For
man.
sure.
Way to go. Way to go.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. Check you out next week.